My name is Travis with Golden West Communications. We've decided to do a video to explain to our members how we are continuing to offer their service through this pandemic. We are maintaining social distance from our members. We're asking them not to come near us when we're doing installs and stay in the home. Also, our team is not entering the members' homes. Instead, what we are doing is bringing the equipment to the home and dropping it off. This is an example of one of our DSL modems. We will leave this with the member, ask them to plug it into power, we'll leave a cable to plug into their computer, and then we're going to leave a really long cable that we're going to ask them to get out of their window or their doors. Once they get this cable outside, they can let us know. We will come back and terminate everything on the outside of the house, and within a short amount of time after that, the member will have service. Thank you.